Hey, I'm Roshanak. I've been teaching piano to adults for 10 years, and today you're going to play Amazing Grace on the piano, one of the most beautiful melodies ever written. And you're going to play it in the next 10 minutes if you've never touched a piano before. Let's get started. Two things before you go. One, this is a song about grace, so be gracious with yourself. Mistakes are part of the journey. Two, play it slowly. The beauty of this melody is in the phrasing, not the speed. Alright, sit at the piano right in the middle. First, let's find middle C. Look for the group of two black keys. Middle C is the white key just to the left of them. Okay, so it's middle C, B, A, and G. Now place your left hand finger 3, 1, 2, 3 on G. This is where your left hand will start. It's G with finger 3. So it's middle C, B, A, G. Place your finger number 3 on G. Now your right hand. Place your right hand thumb on middle C, like this. So we have C, D, E, F, G. Very easy. Keep your hand relaxed, fingers curved, like you're holding a small ball. The first line goes like this. Watch me first. G, C, hold. You can see the white note here. We count 2 for this note, like this. 1, 2. G, C, hold. E, C. We play E, C a little faster. E, C, E, hold. Then D again. C, hold. Left hand. A with finger 2. A, G, hold. G. That's the first line. Let me play it all together slowly again. G, C, hold. E, C, E, hold. E, C, hold. A, G, hold. G. Pause the video, try it yourself slowly. Don't rush, just the first line. Now, line 2. It starts the same way. It's just like the first line. So, C, E, C, E, hold. D, G with your finger 5. G. Okay, you'll see some notes have a dot next to them. This just means hold that note a little longer. For example here, G with a dot. Instead of counting 2, we count 3. 1, 2, 3, like this. G, hold, hold, and that's it. Now you'll see this note is connected with a curved line to the next note. So it's a tie, and it means we don't need to play the next note. 1, 2, 3, just count it. 1, 2, and then E. Just that, don't overthink it. Just play with me. So 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, and then E. Perfect, that's the second line. Let me play it all together slowly. The first line and the second line together. Okay? G, C, hold. E, C, E, hold. D, C, hold. A, G, hold. G, C, hold. E, C, E, hold. E, G, 2, 3, again, 1, 2, E. So, next line. Okay, here you see a note with a dot again. It's a black note and a dot next to it. This just means, again, hold that note a little longer. But don't overthink it again, just hold it a bit longer than the other notes. Your ear will tell you when it sounds right. Just play it. G, C, hold. G, A, C, C, A, G, hold. G, the last line. C, E, C, E, hold. D, 1, 2, 3, and again hold. 1, 2, just that. Okay, pause the video, try it yourself slowly, line by line. Let's play the song all together slowly. Just play with me. 1, 2, G, C, E, C, E, D, C, A, G, G, C, E, C, E, E, G. Hold. E, G, E, G, E, C, G, A, C, C, A, G, G, C, E, C, E, C. You just played Amazing Grace, one of the most beloved songs in the world. Subscribe if you want more of this. Every week I post one video, one song, one step forward, real progress. Comment below which song do you want to learn next. I'll see you in the next one.